Hey guys, it's me, Cold Pulse, and I'm here to show you how to make a successful YouTube video with just your phone. Now, here's the thing. For this, you will need 4 apps. One of them is the YouTube app, which you probably already have or know, and the other is the YT Studio app, which we'll get into right now. Now, the YT Studio app helps you post thumbnails on your YouTube videos that you post. Now, you would originally start with this screen, right? So you would want to press the video that you want the thumbnail to be on. And for that, and to add the thumbnail, all you have to do is click this pencil. Now here it'll say, it can change anything you want. Like, it can change your video to from public to private. It could do anything you want. It could grant you anything you want. Like, instead of deleting the YouTube video now, you can actually manage it from this app. And here's how you post a thumbnail. You click edit thumbnail. Now you want to choose any thumbnail you want. You can change your thumbnail. You can customize your thumbnail, but for the customizing of the thumbnail, we need to go to this other app. This other app is called Phonto. Now, it is the best app for editing thumbnails. Now, I'm telling you, this is the best app. And for this video, I'm using the iPhone 6s. So, any Apple devices, any Apple phones, iPads, if you download this app, you can make any thumbnail you want. Now here's the thing. This is the thumbnail I think I'm gonna use for this video, and you see, if you can add a text, you can add anything you want. If you press the 3 lines, you can add an image, you can add an item, you can change anything you want. Now even better, if you figure it out, if you add an image, you can add like faces, you could add anything you want. This is one of the best. I checked all the apps in the world, and this is absolutely the best. Now, for the next app, in order to make a successful YouTube video, you will need this app right here, the screen recording app. Now, here's the thing. It comes with add audio and add reaction, Facecam. It has Facecam. It has Easy Cut Pro video editing. It has tutorials. It has files, and this one is called. This one I believe is called. Hold on. Let's see this. This one is called Screen Rec Plus. Now, this is absolutely the best one because the mic is good and the quality of the video is good. As you can tell from this video, I'm using the screen recording app. Now, here's the thing. If you want to put the screen recording app, if you need to, like, record the screen on your screen for, like, any video, like, I do Fortnite videos, and, well, like, mobile Fortnite videos. And here's the thing. You have to, click up. And, like, not click, but swipe up, and you will see this, and you see that glowing one right there. You see that red. You see that red recording, glowing square right there. Well, that is what I'm using right now. You tap it and it'll record. So, anyways, you go to the settings, and then you go to Control Center, and then you go to Customize Controls, and then the screen recording you'll see is usually right here, and the screen recording is usually right here in this section, and but I added it already to my own controls. Now, that's how you would originally do this. Now, you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you make a successful YouTube video. That is it until now. That is it, and I guess bye, you guys.